Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how KUMAVISION, trade365 helps you to control the different statuses an item can have throughout its life cycle. Products in your assortment don't stay the same forever. They evolve. New items are introduced but may not yet be available for sale. Once they become part of your core range, they're released for sales and procurement. And when it's time to phase out an item, whether due to supplier limitations or strategic decisions, you can block it from all purchasing and sales processes and archive it with just a few clicks. With the Item Lifecycle feature, you can freely define custom statuses tailored to your business needs. These statuses automatically influence fields on the item card, ensuring items are blocked or released for specific processes at exactly the right time. Before an item is fully blocked, you can mark it as a clearance item, allowing remaining stock to be sold off efficiently. And then, planning a model change or introducing a replacement product. No problem. Define a replacement item and link it to the outgoing product for a smooth transition. These flexible options give you complete control over your assortment strategy. Let's take a closer look directly in the system at how you can leverage them to optimize your product lifecycle management. The following example demonstrates how easy it is to manage product lifecycles and optimize your sales process in just a few steps. Let's start by using Tell Me to find the item list. We select cut-resistant safety gloves. Notice the lifecycle code EOL, what means end of life, assigned to this item. This means the product is blocked for purchasing and marked as a clearance item. You can see both indicators activated right on the item card. Next, let's check out the safety helmet. This item is also being phased out because a replacement model is available. Any remaining stock will be sold off, and once it's gone, the new model takes over, already linked for your convenience. For this item, we still have 2 units at main warehouse. Keep that in mind, we'll need it when creating a sales order. Item replacements can be defined not only at the item level, but also directly on the variant level. Take the item safety boots as an example. On the main item card, there's no replacement assigned. But when we look at the variants, we can see the replacement defined there. This allows us to easily represent shifts in size definitions. Now, let's see how these settings impact the sales process. We create a new sales order and add the clearance item. Instantly, we get a notification, so we know the available stock is limited. Then we add 4 units of the safety helmet. These are the available options. Use item quantity available for selling only the available stock. Use quantity available and replacements to combine both for a smooth transition. Or use entered replacement quantity to just do this. We choose the combination of the remaining stock of the old model with the leftover quantity of the replacement model, creating 2 order lines in just one step. Next, we enter the safety boots in size S. Again, the system asks how we want to handle the item replacement. This time, we choose to replace the entire quantity with the replacement item. As soon as we confirm, we can see that the item number has been switched, while the variant and the quantity remain exactly the same. And finally note, these features are flexible. For example, you can use the item lifecycle alone or combine it with clearance and item replacement, whatever fits your business strategy. It's all about giving you control, efficiency, and happy customers. For more information around our trade solution, please watch our other trade videos or check out our online help under the given link. You will also find additional information on this topic there. I am looking forward to show more of our solution, and thanks for now.